Hey guys, welcome back to this new video and welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing and reviewing a perfume. Again, the perfume is from a very renowned house and it's making a lot of noise in against the fragrance community and amongst the fragrance lover of course. So मेरे पास ये एक बहुत ही amazing perfume है and this is none other than Albait the Al Dimishki. So ये एक बहुत ही hyped ब्रांड है जो कि ड्यूप्स बनाता है नीश एंड वेरी लग्जरी फ्रेगनेंसेस के. सो दिस इज इट. सो अनबॉक्सिंग करते वक्त थोड़ा सा वियर एंड टियर हुआ तो ये पैकेजिंग कुछ ऐसे था एंड दिस पैकेजिंग हैज़ बीन टैम्पर्ड बट द बॉक्स इज सॉलिड. इट्स अ कार्डबोर्ड बॉक्स एंड बहुत ही अच्छा मुझे बॉक्स लगा. ऑल्दो आई हैव सीन more luxury packaging in other fragrance houses जैसे कि अरमाफ है and अरमाफ के बाद I have seen Rasasi and this Mason Alhambra and they all are doing good. I mean the packaging is top notch. आप किसी भी ब्रांड का परफ्यूम लेते हो बट पैकेजिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू मी डजेंट मैटर्स बिकॉज जितने भी नीश ब्रांड्स हैं उनकी पैकेजिंग बहुत सिंपल, जैसे आप ज़ारा का परफ्यूम खरीदते हो तो वैसी पैकेजिंग में आता है. सो लेट्स सो बॉक्स ओपन होने के बाद बहुत ही सुंदर सी एक बॉटल है अंदर जो इनका सिग्नेचर बॉटल है. दे हैवंट चेंज्ड इट. आई गेस वेरी फ्यू परफ्यूम्स जो भी अल्बेट अल दिमिश्की के हाउस से हैं, फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ अल्बेट, दे आर डूइंग सच थिंग्स. सो दिस इज द बॉटल इज ब्यूटिफुल. दिस इज 75 ml. This is Aqua Oud. So the bottle is nice and let's spray. So the atomizer is very good. So this is what I expect, in the range of 2000 and 2500, and they have up to, yes, they have this range of 1500 to 2500. But I expect a lot from 2000 bucks. If you're spending 2000 rupees on a dupe, I guess that's too much. And 2000-2500 तक खर्चने के बाद आपको अगर एटोमाइजर अच्छा ना मिले then that's not good actually. So एटोमाइजर अच्छा है, बॉटल अच्छा है, पैकेजिंग अच्छी है. then comes the notes. The notes are really good. I mean in such price range. So let's talk about the dupe. ये dupe है Tom Ford Oud Wood का. Tom Ford is a very renowned brand. I can't say that तो 25,000 वाली फ्रेगनेंस में आपको वो बात, मतलब 25,000 फ्रेगनेंस में जो बात मिलती है वो 2,000 में मिलेगी. But yes, more or less it's very similar. It's 95% close. I have sniffed that. I don't own the bottle of Tom Ford Oud Wood, but I'm sure I'll get that someday. So let's break down the notes quickly. The notes are as the bottle appears: Tom Ford Oud Wood. So Oud Wood सुनते ही दिमाग में आता है कि इसमें ऊद है, वुड है, but this is more spicy, woody. Of course woody. The base notes are woody, very spicy and woody. So I'll say कि wood का जो note है इसमें that is on the top. Then it also reminds me of fresh spices. जैसे pink pepper का note है इसके अंदर. And this also has some powdery and vanilla notes. अभी मैंने इसको यूज़ ज़्यादा नहीं किया है, but I have just opened it up and I have sprayed 2 times on my wrist, and it's pleasing. It's very pleasing. It's a gentleman scent. It's not a blind buy. I'll say it's not a blind buy because it's, if I close my eyes and smell it, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that I'm seeing a 30 to 40-year-old guy, which is in a very dashing look, very Harvey Specter like personality, and he's walking in, and if some millionaire comes just out of a car, his car, and wearing this perfume, and it's amazing. It's amazing. If you're planning to buy Oud Wood, then do test the decants, because I'll not suggest to buy this perfume, because everyone will not like this perfume, because this is something else. This is not a regular perfume. This is not like Aqua di Gio, which will please everyone. So this is something very mature, not very mature, it's a gentleman scent. So people who are above 30, I would recommend, that's my recommendation. I would not harm anyone in this. Everyone has their own opinion. So I'll say that 30 to 40, in the range, well, men's who are in the range of 30 to 40 years, that can easily go for this. If you have a personality like, you can carry this, you can wear this, and the temperature which I would suggest to wear this in, it's below 25 degrees, because, or you can wear it in a air conditioned environment also. If, like, today it's 40-45 degrees in Delhi, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, humidity है, I would not suggest this perfume for that weather. The weather which is recommended for this perfume is below 25 degrees, and it's a winter scent. Of course it's a winter scent. So इसके notes मैं screen पे भी mention कर दूंगा that what notes it holds. And of course I'll do a follow-up video that how it performs, how what kind of compliments I am getting from this. And overall it's an amazing scent.